Tyrone, don't do
What's that
that.
style again, make it?
So right now, I'm going to teach them about a 4H. I'm going to light the fire for a year, so using one matching stick. So get it now. Put it.
Yo! And I worst thing not even drop in that fire. I will drop.
Oi, you don't know, so guess it is a wire.
Me know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
Alright now, so we're gonna get this fire light up, you know? Gonna get it lit. But we're using coal. We're using the charcoal instead of the straight wood fire, is it?
Get the fire.
Market your fire 4H.
4H. Watch it, boys. Don't just make it on it. You see that out?
Come, me know how to type the foolishness, Tyrone. But with that, man.
Why put up mommy in daddy? How are you, man?
Oh, you stop that. Come, put back the matches then. You know, wasting. Me not have money
You
for
might look
this.
at you when you mix around with them.
Flick too much is fine.
You want this for yourself.
Then when me did it every time there.
You're not gonna know this thing.
So we make. So get it now. Put it.
Yo! And I worst thing not even drop in that fire. I will drop.
Oi, you don't know, so guess it is a wire. You throw it on you, so you don't have to trade
Man,
pan.
mom is a better shit.
Alright, so I get the fire lit. You know the thing work.
Who knows, who knows? I just go where the trade wind blows. Sending love to my friends and foes. And I suppose I'm pleased to be chilling in the West Indies. Jah provide all my wants and needs. I got the sunshine, rivers and trees.
Yeah, me there too. You see? Me can't catch fire every time, you know. Joke thing man go on with the fire, you see me? God know me have to see every day and I made the video man. What this man?
Daddy.
This is how you do it in Jamaica.
I didn't need a thing. 59 cents I can't come.
Yo! Oh, but that! You smoke and I have to wash everything back again.
Still right here.
Mommy has to down on her back step with her big grand boy and son back her.
I mean.
Then yes. You see how I go? So mommy I go just grate at the thing now.
Real coconut oil.
So this really takes a lot of time. So you have to be very patient. You know what I say? Nothing good, no making a rush, you know. So you don't want to blend this now, nothing. This is the right way to get it done. You need to grate it. You know what I say? I beat some tigers.
This one.
So that
Here we go. No, Tyrone tap check out the matches. I buy it. You have to buy it now. Don't just want to put your head tap.
Master, look your valise.
yo!
Move your foot back. You're trying to video so.
Yeah, come on, tell you.
Give me matches. Here we're gonna pour the boiling
Wait,
water.
let me see a nice face. Alright, go on.
Here we're gonna pour boiling water to coconut.
Yeah, talk louder.
Grease.
Okay. So you add hot water over it.
With little cold water after. What for the cold water in Nigeria?
Some cold water.
Cold water. Wait a minute, that's what you want?
Yes, this is to cool down that it don't burn you.
Okay.
So
you add hot water first, you just remove some of the fat. And then you cool it down with some cold water. So this is 1 coconut. You can use any amount that you want, you know what I say? And then the amount of water, just use enough water to cover the coconut. So we juice the milk from the grated coconut. Then we're going to separate the milk, the coconut milk.
carry much water and the chicken.
Yeah, boil the cream. And then separate the fat from the cream and give the oil. So yeah, learn spooky.
The Dutch pot.
Make sure.
One the edge and fry dumpling.
Eh? Yo, when you're there running system, I do something, you don't necessarily have to do it, you know, but so look and learn. You know what I say? So coconut oil. So if you have the yarn in and oil, you can do enough to make some oil.
On the top. Top of the cupboard. On top of the cupboard.
On top of the cupboard, daddy. The big one, big blue one. And this is how you do it when you're making that authentic Jamaican rice and peas. You see it? So now, you have to strain it now. Just give that a nice squeeze, ensure you get every aspect of the milk out of that coconut.
Yard man thing. DJ Khaled I say, really yard man thing. This is coconut.
Yardman thing this, yardman thing. Coconut, yardman thing.
So mama people putting them coconuts.
Gotta boil them to custard, then turn oil. And that custard, before you turn oil, you can use that steamed callaloo, spinach,
Too much thing you can
mackerel
do.
rundown.
Oh yeah, I know the custard for the mackerel rundown.
You can also eat trash with sugar.
That's what I gotta do like right now, you see it? Yeah man, I love it man.
Yard man thing.
Yardman settings. Oh yeah man.
That's why coconut oil so dear, because you need 1 dozen coconut.
See the pre now?
1 quart oil.
So this now, we're going to add some sugar to that. You can have it as a treat, you know what I say? Nothing no nicer. And then of course, this is what we're left with. Pure coconut milk. For all my vegan friends out there, this is how you make your coconut milk. You know what I say? And then you can use this to make your rice and peas. You can use this to make your rasta pasta. What else I use coconut milk for do again? Anything macaroni and cheese, vegetarian, vegan friendly. You know what I say? Anything milk. This is a proper vegan substitute. You see it? Up top. Yardman thing this. Real Yardman thing. Coconut cream. Yardman thing this. Yeah? Real Yardman thing.
Here we're gonna put on the coconut milk.
Yes, cover it up. So how long are you with this one now? You leave this uncovered, none at all?
Like when you start boil up, probably roughly half mass. Like
boil up?
like this. And don't boil over.
We're gonna leave this to boil for about 5 to 10 minutes and then we'll get back to it. But with this stove, probably it's gonna take a 15 to 20 minutes to get to boil up and thing. You see? Yeah man.
Then boil down to oil.
The oil is separating from the coconut milk. Yeah. And now we're producing coconut oil. Let me try and see if I can give you a clearer view as to what's happening right now. As you can see, place on top of the water, that's the oil separating from the coconut juice. Yeah, so we're almost there.
So we had to take this inside because it's getting dark, but this is coming down to the custard, and then the oil will be forming soon. So one thing I have to learn is coconut oil, it takes a very long time before it starts to form, but right now it's coming on to that stage, you know what I'm saying? You can see the oil starting to settle over this side. You see it? After a few, see, it's starting to become transparent. Give it a few more minutes and we'll show you what it looks like. So far, it's been going for about an hour. That custard right there can be used to cook up the salt mackerel rundown, which I have a video out on. You can also cook up the callaloo. I never have that one there yet, so I'm going to try the callaloo with the custard. You know what I'm saying? But look at that. Look at that oil. Beautiful. No additives, all natural. And as I said earlier, this is good on your skin, in your hair. You can use this to cook, and the possibilities and the uses of this are endless. So now we're just gonna add this into a container for future use. You know what I'm saying? And look at that, pure. All you do is just strain that off a bit, and what you get, pure coconut oil. Yeah, man. I eat. You see it? Nice.
So to get 1 quart of that now, you have to boil at least 12 coconut, 1 dozen, to get a quart or even more.
Yeah. But see it there? Coconut oil, nice and easy. You just need to strain this off a bit more and you're golden. You know what I say? And there you have it. How to make your very own homemade coconut oil. Until next time, safe travel upon the gravel and go and big up on yourself.
See you another dinner for later. But know you're fast, girl, and have to tell me. Cause any man can feed you. So that's why you always take me to the kitchen. Yeah.